Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy USDT on Kucoin P2P. For that, you will have to launch your Kucoin mobile application, and on the homepage, you are going to see a bunch of different options. Now, among these options, you are going to see the option of P2P trading. So you need to tap on P2P trading and then you will be landed on this P2P page. Now over here, by default, you will be on this buy section, but for any reason, if you are on this selling section, then you need to tap on buy, and here you will be able to see a bunch of different merchants that you can use to purchase USDT on Kucoin via P2P. You need to make sure that you are using the merchant that has this badge right next to their profile. If they have this badge, it simply means that they are verified on Kucoin. So in order to buy the USDT, you will have to tap on the buy button right next to their profile, and then it will give you this type of notice where you will have to press the yes button. Once done, you will be landed on the next page where you just have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to purchase, and then you just have to conclude your payment. After the successful conclusion of your payment, after some time, you are going to receive your USDT in your Kucoin account via P2P. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.